Everybody, we've got a, let's see, this is going to be a Halter bathing suit by BMJL. This product was also sold by BMJL Sport. This is going to be a one-piece bathing suit. It's got an interesting pattern on here. So as we open it up, got a couple of these to keep everything dry. And you can see the whole thing from top to bottom. It is padded, but there's a hole right here so you can remove the pads if you want. This part right here across the waist is an adjustable strap that I believe is meant to wrap around not once but twice. So it'll go around the back, come around the front again, and then I think it ties in the front. So it'll look like there's going to be two straps going around the back because each side goes around. And then on the bottom, you can see it's backless. It plunges down. And it's supposed to look like this. However, I think this might be a little thick right there to actually show up like that. But it does look like it's still pretty vertical right there. So we'll see what it looks like once it's on. Hopefully have some pictures for you guys in our video, and at least on the review as well. But yeah, here's how long this thing is. And these are stretchy, so they're definitely adjustable. Up here on the top, these are stretchy as well. This is the halter part that goes up around the neck. So hopefully this will be something that that will fit. It looks like an interesting product. The size on this one here is this is a size small, which was the smallest they went. They didn't actually go to an extra small. So just taking a look here at the hips, looks like it goes about, it's going to be about 28 inches around right there at the hips. You go up a little higher to where the waist is. You know, you're looking at about 24 inches. And then of course the bust you can tie to whatever is going to be fitting for you, so that's really going to be up to you. And it does come with the hygienic protection liner on the inside, so you know it hasn't been worn or used or anything like that. But that's really the whole thing, not much else to it. It looks like it's pretty high cut in the front, a high cut version of it. So alright, there it is. If you guys have any questions, comments, make sure to ask. We'll get to them as soon as we can, but hopefully we'll have some good pictures for you here in a little bit. Thanks.